Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we know, the AI is growing rapidly and became an important part of our life. In this video, we are going to know the examples and applications of AI in our daily life. Also, we will try to understand which programming languages are important to make a career as an AI programmer. Here are some examples of AI that you may be using in your everyday life. Virtual assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are all examples of virtual assistants that use AI to understand your voice commands and complete tasks for you. You can use them to set alarms, play music, control smart home devices, and more. Recommendation engines, Netflix, Spotify, and Amazon all use AI to recommend movies, TV shows, music, and products to you based on your past activity. This helps you discover new things that you might enjoy. Fraud detection, banks and credit card companies use AI to detect fraudulent transactions. This helps to protect your financial information and prevent identity theft. Self-driving cars are still in development, but they use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make decisions about speed and braking. Medical diagnosis, AI is being used to develop new diagnostic tools that can help doctors identify diseases more accurately and quickly. For example, AI can be used to analyze medical images and identify cancer cells. Chatbots are computer programs that can simulate conversation with humans. They are often used in customer service applications to answer questions and resolve issues. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI is being used in our everyday lives. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more applications for AI in the future. There are many programming languages that can be used for AI design, but some of the most popular include Python. Python is a general-purpose language that is easy to learn and has a large community of developers. It is also very versatile and can be used for a wide range of AI tasks, such as machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Java is another popular general-purpose language that is known for its speed and performance. It is also a good choice for AI development because it has a large library of machine learning and AI libraries. C++ is a powerful language that is often used for performance-critical applications. It is not as beginner-friendly as Python or Java, but it can be a good choice for AI development if you need to create highly efficient algorithms. R is a statistical programming language that is often used for data analysis and machine learning. It is not as widely used as Python or Java for AI development, but it has a number of advantages for these tasks, such as its ability to handle large datasets and its built-in statistical functions. Julia is a relatively new language that is gaining popularity in the AI community. It is designed to be fast, expressive, and easy to use. Julia is a good choice for AI development if you need to create high-performance code that is also easy to read and maintain. The best programming language for AI design will depend on the specific task you are trying to accomplish. If you are just starting out with AI development, Python is a good choice because it is easy to learn and has a large community of resources. If you need to create highly efficient code, C++ or Julia may be a better choice. And if you are working with statistical data, R may be a good option. Ultimately, the best way to decide which programming language to use for AI design is to experiment with a few different languages and see which one you find the most comfortable with. Hope this video helped you to know more about AI. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos in the future. Thank you for watching the video.